how to copy and paste a website section in a Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy paste a section from a page or from a specific placement into your Hostinger website to another placement or to another page in the same website. So it is going to be doable and also very easy to do. Now it is going to be here the first thing that we are going to do. Heading over hostinger.com, sign in for an account within the platform, and then we are going to head over the Hostinger panel or the dashboard of Hostinger. Now we are going to select from the left side of the screen the websites, click on websites lists, and we are going to see the websites that we own. Now we are going to see the websites and then we are going to make sure that we are going to check or see at least that we have this specific icon which is going to represent the Hostinger logo or the Hostinger website editor logo. Now we are going to click on edit website and from here we are going to have the specific website builder opened. Now as you can see, we have the sections or a lot of sections created within this template. And if something that I want to add or I want to copy a section that maybe I have set up a specific section. So let's say that I have a section that I do not have in another one or I have created it myself. So we are going to have, for example, for all the products, let's see here if we have a specific section, the about one. Maybe that one, maybe this one is going to be a individual section. How we can get this specific section copied and pasted to another page without getting to redo the process of creating this section. So we are going to click on the section since it is going to be clickable. We are going to make sure that it is going to be selected like that. And we are going to click on the three dots or the three vertical dots, which is going to be the context menu and more. We're going to have here paste, copy section, and paste section. We're going to click on copy section and we can basically paste it wherever we want. If we can, or if we want to paste it to another section, for example, I can go ahead and create a blank section and click on more and paste the section and we're going to have the same section from here and here. We can do that also for another or a specific other page. We are going to head over, for example, the blog, and we are going to have this section pasted in here. So I'm going to paste that section and we are going to see it right away. Basically, this is how we can paste or copy and paste a section from the same website into Hostinger. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.